About to give him the work in my Duramax. What the fuck? And he's got a goddamn trailer! I got nothing!
Independent Mobile.
Independent Mobile.
Gonna go buy the cheapest Duramax.
Yo.
How much? $1,000 bucks?
$1,000.
$1,000. Transmission computer issues.
It's fucked.
Probably wiring, to be honest.
Probably.
So, pick it up when we get there.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
So here's the Duramax, guys. GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Got a little bit of an oil leak, as you can tell. Alternator's a little covered, but this truck is nice.
Holy Jesus! What is that? What the fuck is that?
Just give you a little walk around of it real quick. I mean, it's got typical GMT 800 rocker rust.
I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
As you can tell, interior is really nice. I mean, it's beautiful. And it's dirty back here. That don't matter. It's got a flip down the middle for cup holders. Oh, needs wheels. These things are ugly. Needs tires also, but got the center cap for that one. But like I said, the interior is nice. It's got rust, cap corner rust, really bad. Bed is fucked. Wood blocks under it. But other than that, it's a really nice truck. But that'll be it for now.